Hello everyone, I'm Vanshika Bahuguna and today I'm going to tell you some tips that how can you avoid common mistakes in English. First, verbs. If you want to speak correct English, you have to learn verbs because verbs are very important. Verbs plays very important role when it comes to speaking English correctly. As we all know that verbs are kings in English. If you want to speak correct English, you have to learn verbs. Second, match. Make sure when you are speaking or whenever you are writing something, your verb tense should be matched with the timing of sentences. Means if you are talking about some past sentences or past incidents, you have to use helping verb according to that, and also you have to use verb forms according to that. Third, pronunciation. Pronunciation plays a very vital role when it comes to speaking, because sometimes what happens when we speak or when we say any word incorrectly means our pronunciation is not clear. The second person does not understand that what we mean to say and doesn't understand real meaning of those words. So if you want to learn pronunciation, you can use some audio resources, and also there are many apps in mobile phones by which you can learn pronunciation. They provide you audios with words, so you can use them. Fourth, prepositions. Pay attention to your prepositions, means where you have to use in, on, at to convey location correctly, because if you will not use it correctly, then second person will not understand that exactly what location you are talking about. Fifth, guide. If you want to speak English and if you want to avoid common mistakes, you can join English institutions, means English classes, you can join them, and also you can do conversation there, and also if you will make any kind of mistake, they will correct you. And if you want to join English classes and also if you are interested to learn English, join our online and offline course. Thank you.